Point number 2 about the older kits. The main gun barrel is usually 2 pieces in older Dragon kits, whereas later Dragon kits, approximately from 2005 onwards, had 1-piece barrels that are easy to clean. The 2-piece barrels require more cleanup and has a larger risk of being done incorrectly. However, with Dragon, there is not a sudden shift from one year or series to the other that you can simply go by. The 2 first King Tigers, which came out in 2003 and 2004 respectively, these 2, they also had 2-piece gun barrels. This even applies to the vehicles with short barrels, like this one with the short barrel. It's in 2 pieces. This one also had a 2-piece barrel. The Yak Tigers, some of those came with aluminum barrels, but otherwise it was this really long 2-piece barrel cut down in the middle here that you had to perfect surface-wise. Definitely not an easy job, at least not for me. 2-piece barrels are also in all the older Soviet armor made by Dragon. Same goes for modern armor, Abrams for instance. They too would have a 2-piece barrel. It's very difficult to completely hide the assembly, but a lot can be done even with light colors. Exceptions to the 2-piece barrel rule, so to speak, that I know of from the old kits. Well, one of them is the Sonderkraftfahrzeug 250 Stummel version, which is this one. It also has a short barrel, but that is actually made in 1 piece in the kit. Valentine Mark III British infantry tank from the Imperial series actually, which is product number 9024. It's from 1996. It's Reebok's being Imperial series of a VM manufacturer kit. Then there's a curious coincidence, which is this one, the Panzerbüchse 41 41, I don't know how you say that. But the thing is that in the manual of 6132, you are treated to a nice image of a 1-piece barrel. That's great. However, Dragon instructions being what they are, this is misleading. The barrel down there, and then there's a little piece, number 24, C24, which is just above and to the right. The muzzle brake is 2 pieces.